If you are feeling a little bit down, a little bit discouraged, this video is for you. If you're not, you can save this video for later and come back to it when you need it. It's okay to feel discouraged. Your feelings are valid, but don't stop there. Take a deep breath and maybe do one of these things. Go for a walk, get some fresh air, get those endorphins pumping, and just listen to nature. Read a book that actually encourages you, whether it's fiction or nonfiction or someone's story. Just reading those words can be really encouraging. Gather a list of your favorite inspirational quotes and share them. Practice gratitude by listing out a few things that you're actually grateful for right now. Speak some positive affirmations about yourself to yourself. Call a friend, but pick someone who's actually supportive of you. Journal and dump out all that you're feeling, and then move forward into your day. Good luck.